Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of a color. You're not gonna see much of it, so we just need a cord, and I'm choosing red so it stands out a little bit. And we will just needs to go in there. So I will cut the ends and just flatten it a little bit. Doesn't have to be a lot. Might need to stretch it out a little. I think I cut a little too much off. Not to worry. We can fix that. Okay, so right in there. And yeah, you can put this on before you put the ears on if you want. But hey, why do it the easy way, huh? Huh? Yeah, that's what I say. All right, so I can use this to kind of press it on. Like that. If you want to put some little dragees or something on there for the metal. Tail, I think, moved. I'll just leave it like that until it gets, if it gets worse, then we will change it, but it still looks like it's sticking up, so I'm okay with that. All right, so there's that. Let's go ahead and cover that up. Use the airbrush a little bit here. I've got some gold airbrush color. Okay, gold. And I like to just use this for some shading. Okay, so remember the toes, the little toe areas? It's always good to kind of practice on something here. Okay, I'm just going to very gently pull back on the trigger and then just come up lightly in there. Like so. Like that. Same on the back. And we'll go a little bit in this area. Okay, and even a little bit around the spots. It'll just help it kind of blend a little bit. Same with the toes over here. This area here, around the spots. And I'm just barely pulling back. You do not have to be an expert airbrush person to do this. Also around here in this area, where you want it to look like it's, you know, coming away from the body there. So right around here, the leg. And then we're gonna have to do a little on his face because now it doesn't, you know, his face is totally white. A little up there by the ears. And then we'll just do some little, kind of little shading little patches. Okay, so let me clean this out with some water and untwist it, and we'll be ready to do some blush for him. He's got to have rosy cheeks. All right, my tail's taken a dive, but we're going to do the blush first. So I want to squeeze this out until I start getting some pink. Okay, and it's just a little pink, and we're just going to do it right in this area. There we go. A little bit here in the front. Okay, that's good for that. Clean this out and we'll move to the next step. Fixing that tail.